What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, we are coming down towards the bottom of the range that we were talking about here. You can see over the past, what is this, few weeks now after we had that big rollover in the market. On the 4th of December, Veracity's just been putting a range in like this. We broke out of that resistance that we talked about. We came up to the top of the range where we tested the top twice, and then obviously with the market looking a bit bearish in sentiment, we rolled over again, and you can see here on our hourly time frame exactly what's been going on. As we said previously, once we broke out, we doubled, we tested this looking like we wanted to break out, but obviously with Bitcoin looking a little bit bearish and coming back down to the bottom of its range, you can see just how highly correlated Verasity here is to Bitcoin. If we just take a quick look at Bitcoin here, you can see obviously we've formed a range like this, which has basically been perfectly tested at the top and the bottom, hasn't it? And you can see quite clearly here that Verasity right now is very highly correlated to this price action. You can see it also putting in a range like this and basically waiting for Bitcoin to, sort itself out before it gets that move. Obviously with a lot of bearish sentiment and fear in the market, alts do become highly correlated to Bitcoin on the downside. But we do think Verasity, this is a really top quality project, isn't it? And sooner or later it is going to see its day in the sun, in our opinion. It's just had a massive rebrand. It's constantly bringing out massive fundamental news. And even though the crypto markets are largely based on speculation, you cannot deny that this project has got a lot going for it. And in our opinion, it's going to do very well in the long term. Obviously the short term is anyone's guess. If Bitcoin rolls over, we'll obviously see it go down. And if Bitcoin does start to rally, we could see a nice alt season, which sees it going up in the short term as well. But we do think long term, this project is going to be absolutely amazing in our opinion. And it's probably just going to continue to do very well. So we'd say overall right now, Verasity, not much to say at all. Just sitting at the bottom of the range that we've talked about before. And as we said in yesterday's video, we were going to see the bottom of this range getting tested before a bounce. We could get a bounce in this area anywhere from, the bottom of this range down to that previous candle over here, where we had that, the big roll over the double bottom back test. We come down, we make a high. We've been making higher lows this whole time, really, haven't we? Looking at something like this. But we could easily see a bounce in this area, in our opinion. You can see the bullish divergences are massive right now on the RSI for this little downtrend we've been seeing here. We've been trickling to the downside on low volume as well. And you could easily see the bulls come back into control at the bottom of this range here and really just blast up and, start to get back into some of these levels that we should be looking at for Verasity, really, which is towards the top of this range again, now that we've retested the bottom. So we'd say overall, short-term price predictions, if we head to the downside, as we said, this area here, anywhere from around that 3.2 cent level, all the way down to around 2.9 cents, we could see a very good bounce in our opinion. The volume's dropping off, we've got bullish divergences, we're probably going to see a bounce at the bottom of the range here, back towards the middle at the very least at that 0.78, at around the 3.6 cents there. And then obviously heading up towards the top of the range is what we want at 4.3 cents, breaking out this resistance here as well at around 4.5 cents and getting back up towards that previous all-time high of 5.5 cents, which is where we pulled our fib from. So obviously in the short term, it's anyone's guess what's going to happen, really. We can only speculate at what actually could happen. The market could absolutely explode to the upside tomorrow and just completely invalidate all this TA, or to the downside. But you can see we do have our key levels that we probably will be testing. And if we rolled over any significant way, that 618 is going to be a massive comfort blanket at 2.6 cents, isn't it? So overall, we'd say Verasity, a really top quality project. 50 cents to $1 by the end of the bull run is what we've always said. We do really think that that's highly achievable. And, this project is absolutely crazy. We've seen how it's run before. And, if it does continue to run like that, we could be looking at some very nice price targets. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.